Hi, I'm Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog. And today, on this rather dreary, cold fall day, I am going to be checking into the latest from How to Be a Redhead. And this is their deluxe box. Let's see what's inside, shall we? And because it is the fall season, here in New York anyway, it's also redhead season. Yes. The weather is calling. This is the time for hot drinks and big, bulky sweaters and staying in from the cold dampness of the fall. It's a rather dreary, atmospheric, maybe even kind of a romantic, gray, rainy day here in New York. So I'm just feeling that. You guys see this? This is amazing. All this stuff. Okay, just show this real quick. What? Yes. Let's dig in. Redhead season. And it reads Fall Deluxe H2 bar box. Let's admit it. Red hair is a vibe every autumn. Absolutely. We love to call fall redhead season because red hair starts to camouflage with leaves. It's also time for cozy weather, pumpkin lattes, and warm sweaters. So it's a nice little fold out brochure that I have here. And I think it has some of the products that are in here in this. So this is their take of the info card, but it's actually like a mini brochure. Okay, so I'm going to show you what's here, and I'll put the prices and information on the screen. First thing I have here is, oh, this is so cute. This looks like is it a shawl? Is it a scarf? I don't know, but the color's nice. It's a scarf. Isn't this pretty? And it has the little fringe on the end. Just do this like Okay. Love it already. I will put the information up here, and it feels nice and warm. It feels kind of expensive too. It feels nice. All right, the next thing I have here is something called neat wipes, and I will put the information on the side here. These are, it says 99.9 germs killed, 100% biodegradable, non-woven material, 0% benzalkonium chloride. Okay, so there you go. This is great. Biodegradable, and it doesn't have some harsh ingredients. Feeling that already. What's the next thing? Oh, some coupons, which we love. Something called Defend. Do you see that? Okay, and these are, it says Kind Roof Adaptogens. Plant lozenges for fight power, defend, vitamin C and reishi, 2 lozenges. Perfect with changing weather, because this is the time of year that people get sick, when the weather starts changing. Here I have something from Curate, and it's called Skin Guardian Hand and Body Barrier Cream. Ooh. So I'll put that up here. Again, I'll put, if I have any descriptions in the brochure, I will put them somewhere here. The next thing this has to be full size. This is from Canvilli or Canvili Scalp Bliss Soothing Scalp Purifying Foam Treatment. Now, I'm probably not saying this correctly because they do put an emphasis under the 2 I's. So it's Canvi, I don't know, Canvai. This is an I. Oh, Soothing Scalp Purifying Foam Treatment. So what does this do? Gentle rinse off. Oh, it's a gentle rinse off. Foam cleanser. Okay. Never heard of the company. Have you? Let me know in the comments below if you have. Lashes. You know how I feel about this. Is from House of Lashes and Patrick Top. They look interesting, kind of. I don't know how I feel about lashes, to be honest. I mean, I did say one of these days I'm going to try these, lashes and put them on. I'm just kind of nervous about them. She's everyone's makeup muse and favorite trendsetter. This fun and charming lash has a gradually flared style to elongate your eyes and create a soft cat eye effect. 100% vegan and cruelty-free fibers are handcrafted with love. I have something here from Better Natured, and this is their Good Clean Style Shine Glaze. I'm assuming that's for the hair. Okay. Next thing I have in here is from Royal Locks Pro Curl Cream Gel with Argan Oil. I've been kind of stepping my toe into argan oil. It's not bad, but again, you know, like with everything, because my hair is wavy and fine, I have to be careful, like not to, you know, less is more. And also because it's oil, there's always this, you know, love-hate thing that either it's going to work or it's just going to grease up my hair or it's just going to dull and make my hair look limp. So I have to be very careful with that. But if I just apply it to the ends sparingly, I just gotta find that right balance. Okay, the next thing I have here is from EMK Beverly Hills, and this is their Supra Face Cream. Again, I'll put the description here somewhere. The next thing I have is from Louis by Jean Seo, and this is a cleanse. So something for the face, maybe? Yeah. I think I've gotten things from Louis before, I think for the hair. Next thing I see in here is from, oh, collagen hair mist. Interesting. Next thing I have here is from Authenticary Facial Sunscreen, which, you know, I need. And this is with an SPF 35 with vitamin E. I have to be careful with this because vitamin E, depending on where it's at, I do sometimes may get a reaction, but again, it depends on, I don't know, like what it's in. I mean, I've had it in lip balms and it's okay. But sometimes if I have vitamin E, it may cause me sometimes to have a little bit of a breakout. So I'll check that out to see how it works for me. Ooh, and I got something from Mirabella and a sculpt. I'm assuming that that is a sculpting thing or like bronzer. I mean, I've used bronzer as sculpting, so I'm just gonna look in here and see what it does. This is the packaging, really pretty. I'm gonna open. Oh, this is what it looks like. One's like a highlighter. I think I've gotten something like this before. And actually they both look kind of shimmery. Can you see them? Rather pale. Oh, that's kind of frosty. Okay. And it has a mirror, which is nice. And this is from My Day Screen Pure. Wait, hold on. This is Fairlight Tinted Drops. So this is supposed to be something, I think, for the face. Indoor daily protection. So I guess an indoor SPF? What? This is something new. I mean, before it was like if you're indoors, then you're relatively away from the sun. There is like indirect sunlight, obviously, but you're not like full dead on in the sun. But this might be the answer to also taking care of your skin when you're indoors and you're by a window. I'm kind of curious. Tinted Drops. Have you heard of this brand? Let me know in the comments below if you have. This is adorable. A wide tooth comb. This is really cool. And this is from, it says just for redheads.com. Definitely comes in handy in the shower when I'm distributing my conditioner, my hair mask. I don't know about you. I am so excited and so happy to know that it is finally redhead season. I can't wait. It's like Halloween's fast approaching, and then right after that's the holidays, Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's. Before you know it, we'll be in a new year. But let's just take a moment to slow down a little and just be still for like a minute and just take some deep breaths and just relax in the moment and take time out to just appreciate to have that moment and to take that moment to just breathe and calm down a bit and just to slow things down a little and try to enjoy every moment. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below what you're doing for self-care. This is my self-care. Doing these videos with you and unboxing things and trying things out. This is my form of self-care for me. How about you? Let me know in the comments below what you do for self-care. Maybe I'll follow up with another self-care video as to what my latest updates are. What do you think? Are you interested in that? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button, and even better, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll know when my next video will be up. Thank you so much for watching. And again, I'm delighted with my How to Be a Redhead Deluxe box. I can't wait for the next one, and I hope to see you on my next video. Take care. Stay safe.